Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about why air conditioning is the most efficient form of heating. When it comes to keeping our homes comfortable during the colder months, there are various heating options available. But did you know that air conditioning can actually be the most efficient and cost-effective choice? Let's dive into the reasons why. First, let's compare different heating methods. Traditional heating systems like electric heaters, gas furnaces, and wood-burning stoves have been popular choices for years. While they can provide warmth, they often come with inefficiencies and higher costs. Air conditioners, on the other hand, have evolved significantly over the years. Modern air conditioners not only cool but also heat your home efficiently. They are designed to have high energy efficiency ratios, EER, which means they can provide more heating or cooling for the same amount of energy input. One of the main reasons air conditioning is so efficient for heating is due to the use of heat pumps. Air conditioners equipped with heat pumps can extract heat from the outdoor air, even in cold weather. By utilizing this ambient heat, they can transfer it indoors, effectively warming your home. The use of heat pumps in air conditioners can result in significant energy savings. Compared to traditional heating methods, air conditioning with heat pumps can be up to 3 times more efficient. This translates into lower energy bills and reduced environmental impact. Additionally, many modern air conditioning systems come with smart thermostat integration. These thermostats allow you to control and schedule the temperature settings in your home more effectively. You can optimize heating cycles, adjust temperature zones, and even control the system remotely, all leading to further energy savings. Lastly, if you want to go even greener, you can combine your air conditioning system with solar panels. Solar energy is a renewable and environmentally friendly power source. By harnessing solar power to run your air conditioner, you can heat your home efficiently while reducing your carbon footprint. So, when it comes to heating your home efficiently, air conditioning with heat pumps is a top choice. It provides excellent energy efficiency, cost savings, and environmental benefits. Consider upgrading your heating system to a modern air conditioner, and enjoy a comfortable and eco-friendly home. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.